your girl Animated Angel back at it with another freaking video. And in today's video we are doing a hair transformation for the new year. So I have to do this really fast because I also do have to get ready for work and stuff. My hair does need to be washed, so it's dirty, so it is perfect for me to get started. I know it looks crazy. So what I'm doing today is going to be doing low lights all throughout my head, and then I am going, oh my god, it looks so crazy, and then I am going to be cutting my hair. So it's gonna be a vibe. I don't have as much developer as I thought, so I'm gonna use mostly 40 and then use some 20 to dilute it a little bit. I'm nervous. I also don't have a bowl, so I'm gonna be using this paper plate. I don't have a bowl that's disposable or a dye bowl because I don't be dyeing my hair that often. So, and y'all seen the last time when I dyed my hair. That was like back in like May or June. Because I have 2 packets of this. I really should have bought developer, but I was like, oh, I think I have some. Am I supposed to shake this up first? Just a little bit. Dang, it's mostly 40. I'm gonna have to be so fast. Ooh, it smells so strong. I'm just gonna mix in the other one too, so I won't have to like be. Ooh, this smells so strong. I'm using BW2, by the way. And they said you want to have your hair at a 1-to-1 ratio.
Oh, CJ, you did that.
I also got to take these nails off because I look busted. I'm not going to work. Looking like this. This left hand is eating, but everybody is going to be seeing my right. That's what I use for mostly everything. So mix this all in. Man, I hope I didn't add too much, because you can always add more, but you can't take away. You don't want this concoction to be super watery. Like, you want it to be like kind of like a paste almost. Okay, guys, I got my paste. Now let's put some gloves on. This hairstyle is about to be so freaking cute. I'm not talking about I'm damaging my hair. I'm not even doing a lot. Like, I'm doing a very minimal damage hairstyle. Because 1, I'm doing low lights. 2, I'm not doing my whole head. 3, my hair is healthy. It's healthier. So I'm just gonna, my hair is so tangly. Let me get a comb. Comb out my hair. Baby. I would usually spray it before I comb it out, but I don't want to put no water on my hair right before I put this dye or this bleach on there. And I didn't even buy a toner, so
Oh, CJ, you did that.
let me just comb out the whole of my head real quick. Okay, guys, so you can see already my hair needs a trim so bad. But let's get it started. I'm gonna try to not do the biggest sections, but not the smallest, like a good medium-sized section. I'm only gonna take maybe You see that? You see what I'm trying to do there? I'm saturating the ends, skipping a piece. I'm saturating the ends, and then I'm like trying to blend it upwards. You see what I'm saying? I don't want it to be a harsh line. Like, I be seeing people, Brad Mondo showed me that back in the day when I used to watch his videos heavy. He's like, you do not want to have a harsh line. Okay. So I'm gonna show y'all when I get more of my head done. But I'm gonna be doing the same thing I was just doing. Highlights go all the way to the root. Lowlights do not. So that is just a little difference. But I will catch up to y'all when I am either almost done or done. Y'all, I'm stressing. I got this much hair. This little part, I'm just not gonna put much on because I have this much left, y'all. So much left. I'm just gonna like start doing a row that I skip and then a row that I do, and I'm only gonna do like 3 from each because I literally have so little and I have the front part of my head to do, and I am stressing. Yo, I don't want to look crazy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I started being, I don't know if I was just doing too many hot lowlights or whatever, but girl, I don't have time to be looking crazy. And this is my hairstyle for going into the new year. Like, baby, I'm gonna need you to come correct. I think I was also starting some of them way too high up. Like, oh my God, I have so little. And it's so thick right there. Okay, so skip this middle part. Skip. Yeah. And can you tell? Like, is any of it getting lighter? I don't know. Let's split this in the middle. Perfect. Let's do the front piece and the front piece. Is it even? Blend, baby. You see that blend? Y'all, and I am not a professional at all. This is just what I've taught myself from years and years of doing my own hair, like, and YouTube and shit. Like, I really hope this turns out freaking cute, because I do not just want to waste my time. Okay, so I have like a little box left. I'm thinking I'm gonna do some of those sections that I just skipped over just a little bit. See what I can do with that. Yeah, guys, I no longer know the direction of how this is looking. Let's do this one. Like middle section here. Not this one. This little middle section here. Maybe I can get like 2 or so out of it. I just don't want one part of my head to look not empty, but you know. basically done. Whew. Y'all, I'm basically done. You can kind of see a little bit of a difference. I am going to put my hair in a shower cap to let it process a little bit faster. Probably stay under for like maybe like 20 minutes or so. Get some of these ends. Because it's not supposed to be the whole thing, guys. It's supposed to just be highlights. So let's put a shower cap on. If I can find a shower cap. Okay, let's put this up in a ponytail. Or in a very... No, I don't want to put a ponytail on this actually because I don't think that's smart. I can't find a shower cap, guys. So... I have this really nice shower cap that it's better, but yeah, this is a shower cap that I just bought, but I didn't want to put it directly on my head because girl, this ain't for you. Because it's new and I have bleach in my hair right now, so girl, you got bleach in your hair. Oh my god, your eyebrow is bleached. Oh, I can't have you looking bleached. Guys, I got bleach powder freaking everywhere. And I got it on 4 push. I'm gonna keep this on my head for about 20 minutes or so. I don't know what this part is for. Maybe to make it tighter. Okay. I will catch up with y'all when after I wash this stuff out. I'm scared to do the full 20 minutes, so I did 15 minutes. Oh my god, this is how my hair looks, guys. Okay, guys, I'm about to go wash this out, shower and shit, and come back to you guys when I am out the shower. This is the hair reveal. Damn, I feel like you can't really see that good because it's not in the light. Honestly, it's gonna need another session. It's definitely gonna need another session, but I feel like I could still cut it and do something with it, and then I'll probably fix it next week because I don't want to put too much, like, work my hair too much, because my hair has gotten significantly more healthy since the beginning of the year. But I am going to, let me see if this is better. I'm going to do a wolf cut on my hair, and I'm also gonna do a TikTok, so bear with me if the angle changes throughout this. But I'm starting on wet comb through conditioned hair. I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. Just my typical stuff, because I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months ago I dyed my hair. My hair was like this color, to be honest, and I went ahead and dyed it black. And black hair dye, is some of the hardest hair dye to get out of your head. So I'm thinking maybe, oh, and now I'm putting some curl cream in there in my hair. Maybe when I do another session, it'll come out easier, or come out lighter. I don't know. I just needed to do something different with my hair. I love black hair when I first get it done, and maybe for the first few months, and then when it starts to get like normal to me, I'm like bored with it. Okay. So the first step, okay, so let me go and start off my TikTok, y'all. Okay guys, so The first step is to put your hair up into a ponytail at the top of your head. So let's do that. I think what I need to do is comb out my hair in the back so it all reaches, because I can feel it already starting to mat up and lock up in the back of my head. And my hair texture, like in the back of my head especially, is where it is so like tight. The curls is tighter. Ooh, I'm hungry. No, I do not be eating in the days like that, like I should be. Okay. Ponytail. Why does my scissors look so funky? And then after you do your ponytail, moisture coming out of my head. After you do your ponytail, you want to do a little ponytail at the bottom, or like another like scrunchie at the bottom of your head. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go in between like my TikTok and this video of actually cutting my hair, but I wanted the first cut to be with you guys, you know, ganging them. Wow. Okay. And then you take out the ponytail. Wow, let me make this. Get a little bit more hair right there. It's just like the way that hair just be cutting like that. Wow. Okay, and then you take out the back portion of your hair. I know this angle looks probably crazy, but okay, so let's just do maybe this much, because this is supposed to be the longest part of your hair, technically. I don't know if it's even, but it's not like my hair is straight. Okay, put a ponytail at the back of the top of my head. And then I'm seeing, I think I cut off a lot at the beginning. And then I'm about to do the next little part. I don't want this to be too short, but we'll see what happens. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna cut the next one on my TikTok, y'all. Y'all, I'm starting to get a little bit scared. This is how much I cut off the second time. It's like, I be getting scissor crazy, in my opinion. Alright, and then you take out the middle part. Take it out. Wait. Then you do this front part of your head. It probably will be unless I just don't finish this video until I finish my hair, there may or may not be a part 2. Like, I think I'll finish my hair first, but oh god, that shit just got my eyes. Okay. Front part is prepared. I'm gonna cut the bangs on this one, and then I'm just gonna cut this last front part on my TikTok, y'all. Yo, look how much hair that is. That's so thick. Okay, let me put this up a little bit. Y'all, I'm freaking scared. I mean, I know this is gonna look good, but I just don't want it to be like shorter than I expect. I mean, my hair still looks pretty long. And then I guess you do the same thing for the bangs portion. This is where it could go so long. is the part I'm the most scared about. So let me see. What is my natural front bangs? Like, I would say like this right here. This is my natural front bangs. Y'all, I am so nervous about this part. And I am not cutting too much of like my hair because one, I need to trim, not anything crazy, and two, curly hair shrinks. Like, wow. My hair. Guys, so much hair is gone. What are you doing, ma'am? Okay, guys. So I am going to dry my hair, try to put some like product in it and stuff, diffuse it, and show y'all the end result. And then I will probably do another session and show you guys how I do my second session of bleach. But not today, not tomorrow, probably after the new year. So this is my New Year's hairstyle. Oh my god. Like, it's not bad. Like, it looks kind of cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just end the video here because I just feel like I'm gonna let this grow on me and think about how I'm going to attack like getting this color out. I feel like there's many different reasons why this color did not really go as planned, and it was a quote-unquote fail, but it was a cute fail. The haircut, I feel like for the most part is right. Like, let me see, because the girlies be having it like straight across with I'm literally driving in traffic, by the way, or not really heavy traffic or whatever, but yeah guys, so this is the wolf cut. I don't know if I like it like this. I feel like I look like a mushroom, but I do like it a little bit to the side because I just feel like it eats for my face a little bit better like that. But I think the haircut was good. I'm still waiting on it to fully dry. Like, I feel like it's still a little damp inside, but when it starts to, when I can no longer run my hands through it, that's how I know it's almost done. Because when my hair just kinks up so bad. But anyways, it's not important. What was I talking about? So I'm gonna end the video here. Let this grow on me. Maybe give it like 3 weeks to a month. My sister suggested that, and I'm gonna take her advice. Just to give it a little moment. And if you guys like this transformation, even though this wasn't what I originally planned, if you guys really did like this transformation and are excited to see the next transformation, then please subscribe, like, share, comment, anything, you know what to do. I don't gotta tell y'all know what to do. But if you want to see any more of me, then subscribe if you vibe, guys. This has been your girl, Animated Angel. Thank you so much. Hey guys, quick update. So I had my hair all day, and I mean, let me show y'all. It's so cute, right? But it literally looks like the hair I used to have. And I totally did the color wrong. Like, this was not my vision at all. I feel like I did too many highlights, and that's why it's mostly color and less black. And I mean, the roots and stuff is black because it's supposed to be low lights, but I just feel like I went a little overboard with the bleach. So yeah, I have no idea where I'm gonna go next with my hair. I'm just gonna chill with what it's like right now. Everybody was really digging it. People said it complimented my skin tone, which was a very nice compliment. But yeah, guys, I don't really know. It was a happy accident, but definitely not the look I was going for. I think what really takes it there though is the bangs and the cut. I think I really did a good job with the cut, but the bleach job, but the hair is all even, which is also crazy because it took me I don't think it took me that long to bleach it per se, but I'm surprised it all came out even, so I really don't even have to tone it. But yeah, guys, I don't know what's going on with my hair. I'm digging it. Don't follow this as a tutorial. Don't follow this as a tutorial. I don't know what I'm doing for real. So yeah, guys, but again, thanks for watching. Bye.
A baddie gon' get what she like. So what's your sign? Cause I like you. Got a place we can stay for the night, but I'm too shy to invite you. You got a gangsta vibe, and I wanna get